Imagine this, you visit a normal website, but hidden inside a comment box or a search field is a tiny piece of malicious code. When you click submit, the site unknowingly executes that code in your browser. That's cross site scripting or XSS. One of the most common and dangerous web vulnerability on the internet. Hi everyone, I'm Shadow, and today we are breaking down what XSS really is, how it works, and why developers and security professionals must understand it. So, cross-site scripting happens when a web application allows untrusted input to be injected into a web page without proper validation or sanitization. Attackers can insert JavaScript or other script that the victim's browser will run as if it came from the trusted site. There are three main types of XSS: stored XSS, reflected XSS, and DOM based XSS. In stored XSS, malicious script is permanently stored on the server, like in a database or comment section, and served to every visitor. It is really dangerous. Next up, we have reflected XSS. The payload is part of the request and immediately reflected back in the response, like a URL parameter. Last, we have DOM based XSS. The injection happens entirely in the browser, though insecure client side JavaScript. The impact anything from stealing session cookie and account data to deface page or spreading malware. So what can you do to mitigate it? To defend against excesses, validate and sanitize input on the server side. Escape output when rendering user data in HTML, JavaScript, or attributes. Use content security policy (CSP) to limit what scripts can run. Prefer secure frameworks and templating engineering than auto escape by default. Alright, so now we are gonna perform some basic XSS practice. Let me give you some demo related to XSS. Okay, now go ahead and start the web. Enter our password. Click here, open link, and there you have it. We have, from here we gotta select our whichever vulnerability you want. You can see there are lots of vulnerability: SQL injection, broken authentication. You can do anything you want. So our target here is cross-site scripting. There are a lot of different types of cross-site scripting. For your kind information, there are reflected, there are stored, there are other type known as DOM-based cross-site scripting. So today we are gonna perform reflected cross-site scripting. So reflected cross-site scripting is basically, it's kind of, it will show a pop-up on the user window. Okay, let me just show you. Here we have a simple application. Here we have to enter our first name and here last name. So let me show you how cross-site scripting is done. For first name we are going to enter anything, any specific number. Then there comes the script. So script is basically, you know, JavaScript. If you're familiar with JavaScript, JavaScript is used for scripting and lot of things. So here what's going to happen is a JavaScript is going to be executed. For example, here, let me show you. Once we run this simple script, it start by script tag, then we have alert, and inside the alert we have RTP shadows, our channel name, and then there's script tag close. Okay, so once we run it, it's gonna pop up a window and show us this following words: RTP shadows. Okay, let's go. There you have it. You can see we have RTP shadows. So how does it work? Let's just inspect the code. Okay, inside the main h1, here as you can see reflected XSS excellent, welcome. Here you can see our script. Originally our script wasn't part of this code, but now we have a script running in the code. This is reflected XSS. So now if a user visits the site, this code will get automatically executed. It's a really powerful attack. It's one of the most dangerous form of vulnerability. It's ranked third in OWASP top 10, and as you can know, it's really dangerous. And it's our old vulnerability. It has been there for nearly 25 years or so. So there you have it. For a little extra practice, let me show you one more example. Just enter the first name, and for script we are gonna use this one. So what this is gonna do is we have a image and there we have source. For source we are using X, which is gonna give us a broken image. Let's go here. You can see we have a broken image here, right here, because we didn't enter a full image source. We are getting a broken image, and it's really dangerous what you can do with such type of uh, basically cross-site scripting happens because while developing, the developer doesn't use correct sanitization, and that leads to vulnerabilities like this. Okay, I hope you got the basic idea of cross-site scripting. XSS is powerful because it targets the weakest link, the user browser. Whether you are a developer, a security tester, or a bug bounty hunter, understanding XSS is critical to keeping applications safe. If you found this video helpful, like this video, subscribe, and check out our other cybersecurity tutorials where we explore web attacks and their defenses. Stay secure, keep learning, and I will see you on the next video.